In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the right turn signal bulb in your 2019 Dodge Durango. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the right turn signal bulb on your Dodge Durango, regardless of the year, is extremely simple. So first, make sure that you purchase an adequate replacement. You can find them on places like eBay, Amazon, and you can choose whichever one you prefer according to the price and your preferences. So most Dodge Durango years will take the same one. So this bulb, for example, fits all the way from the 2014 Dodge Durango all the way up to the 2020 Dodge Durango. So purchase one of these, and once you have acquired the replacement part, in order to actually replace the bulb itself, first pop open the hood. So once the hood is open, you will be able to access the compartments where you have to install the bulb. So if you look under the hood towards these corners here, you will see these green outlined plugs. All that you have to do is rotate this counterclockwise, so rotate it counterclockwise, and it is going to pop out alongside with the bulb. So the bulb will be connected into this cover or this lid, and then you will put it into place with the new bulb. So all that you have to do is rotate it counterclockwise and remove it. Then take the old one out and insert the new replacement bulb that you purchased. It is going to be connected to these pins here, so make sure that it is aligned. Then you will rotate it back into place. There is no secret to this. Try to avoid touching the bulb with your fingers so you don't potentially damage it, and as long as you rotate this counterclockwise to remove it, then you take out the old bulb and install the new one, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.